Look after, meaning to take care of someone or something. Sentence. Can you look after my dog while I'm on vacation? Look for, meaning to search for something or someone. Sentence. I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? Look at, meaning see or watch. Sentence. Look at the sky. It's so blue. Look into, meaning to investigate. Sentence. The police are looking into the case. Look out, meaning be careful. Sentence. Look out, the car is coming. Look out for, meaning watch for / take care of. Sentence. Look out for your friend at the station. Look up, meaning find information. Sentence. Look up new words in a dictionary. Look up to, meaning respect. Sentence. I look up to my teacher. Look down on, meaning think you are better than someone. Sentence. Don't look down on poor people. Look back on, meaning remember the past. Sentence. He looked back on his childhood. Look ahead, meaning think about the future. Sentence. We need to look ahead and plan. Look around, meaning visit or explore a place. Sentence. Let's look around the city. Look over, meaning check quickly. Sentence. We usually go out for dinner on weekends. Look through, meaning read or check quickly. Sentence. She came back home late last night. Look to, meaning depend on / ask for help. Sentence. We look to our parents for advice. Look on, meaning watch without helping. Sentence. People looked on as the fire burned. Look beyond, meaning think past something. Sentence. She carried on reading even when it got noisy. Thanks so much for watching this video till the end. Now it's your turn. Try using these phrasal verbs in the comments below. Remember, the best way to learn them is by actually using them in sentences. I'll be checking the comments, so don't be shy. Give it a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. All the best, and see you in the next video.